to my channel. As the title says, I'm trying something new, which means I'm doing voiceovers. So let's see how this goes, or maybe it's just a one-time thing. For now I'm still working on the hot pink cardigan. As you can see, I'm still on Sleeve Island, and I've really liked the process so far. I have found some zebra buttons in my stash, and I like them very, very much. In the meantime, I'm looking in Pinterest, looking for some gift knits, because I like to be prepared for Christmas and of course Sinterklaas, as we celebrated here in the Netherlands. I'm scrolling through Pinterest, gift knits as my search. Not finding anything really at this point. And then I saw washcloths, and I thought, perhaps I can make something surrounding that theme. And I've found some cotton, and I've made myself, to test it out, some makeup removal pads. I haven't tried them out yet, but it was a nice crochet project. And here's a towel, a small face towel from the same material. As you can see, I have finished the hot pink cardigan. It's a bit on the short side, I must admit, but the crop look will look very well on my dresses, and I'm glad it's done by now. And here I'm starting a new project. I cast on a sweater for my mother, which I call the grandmother. I hope it will be finished before the holidays in December, and I can give it to her. In the meantime, my son was building with Legos, and he likes to vlog as well, and he wanted to show what he made, and he made his own craft, and he loves to show it. Very proud of my little boy, showing you all the different compartments. I wish you a very creative time as well, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.